In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact forms in Lovable AI. To do that, you can create a contact form using Google Forms, Typeform, or Tally. For this case, I have chosen Google Forms, so let's head over and click on this publish once you have successfully created it. Once you have published your form, it will give you right here your URL for this. Just copy the responder link, you can shorten it if you want, and just copy it. Once it's been copied, head over right here to your Lovable and then ask them to add this contact form to your site. And then just paste the contact form link right here and then send that to Lovable. So it will think for a while, and for that, it will actually edit the CSS for this to embed the Google form that we have added. So just wait for this to be edited, and once it's done, it should be able to appear right here on this page. As you can see, it added the Google Form contact form, and when you scroll down, you can find it right here. So for this case, you can just head over and then refresh your site if it shows this error. But once it's done, you should be able to actually use it as is. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.